Hey you guys, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be showing you how I do my fabric earrings because a lot of you were asking about it. As you know, I recently got a button maker, and the button maker that I got is only 1 inch. So the size buttons that it does is like small. Both the things down here, they're small compared to, what I like, which is huge earrings. And when I looked online to research it, a bigger size button maker, you can switch out the die modes. That's what they're called. It goes all the way up to like 3 inches, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. But y'all, them things was costing just as much as another machine. I was like, I might as well buy a new machine, and I don't got that to do right now. So that's when I started researching and Googling, button kits and things like that. And I found that you guys can buy button kits at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's. Y'all, I done went. The first one I bought was at Joann's, and it was 50% off, but it was $10, and it was 50% off. And I was like, oh yeah, this is a deal, $5. But I will tell you, it only comes with enough to make like 10 buttons, and you gotta buy the refills, which I have the refills right here. Now, I will tell you, when I went to Walmart, because this is where I also bought these from. I bought these from Walmart. My husband was like, you got gypped off. Joann's gypped you because they are like so much cheaper. And then when I seen them on Michael's, and Michael's had them on sale for like $1.75, y'all, I went crazy. So I'm waiting on a Michael's thing to be sent to me. I went on hobbylobby.com. They were having a sale on them. Y'all, I just went crazy because I really love doing these. Like, it's so easy to. This is a cheaper alternative, y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all how easy and simple this is. It's much simpler than the button maker, although the difference from the button maker to just using one of these, you can switch out like the backs. You could do earrings. You can still turn this into a magnet. You can still do a lot of things with these, but the only difference is from a badge. Well, you can't turn it into a badge, so it can never be a pin or something that you stick on your shirt. But also is like with the button machine, as you can see, you see how it's like shiny and glossy. That's because it has the clear Lord have mercy. That's because it has the clear mylar, and you can't get that on just the button maker. So with the button maker, it's pretty much just the fabric. There's no clear glossy effect. Now you can get a glossy effect because I did end up making some with paper, and when you Mod Podge over the paper, it does give it like a glossy effect. But other than that, you're not getting no, like, see, this one's even shining just from here. You're not going to be able to get that with these little things. But you can still, shoot, this still make a cute earring. And you see the difference in the size between the 1 inch. I mean, the 1 inch, I can still wear the 1 inch, but they're just, they just don't. See, this one is so, see, it just don't pop like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna be using some leftover fabric that I got, y'all. And in the other video that I did, I had the gold version of this. So I'm just gonna do really quickly a silver pair just to show you guys how this works. So stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, I have my two fabric squares cut out. They don't have to be perfect. This is what these little things look like. And where's the back pieces? Okay. And some of them come with like flat backs, and some of them come with backs that look like this, that have this. It's like a little button thing, but that's fine because you can use a tool for that and just pull that right out. That doesn't even matter. That's not even a big factor. So to get started, they send you this, the little clear thing and a blue thing comes inside of the pack. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go ahead and put this, what is these things called? The cover button. Okay, you're going, I don't know, you're going to put this thing on your fabric, and then you're just going to tuck it down inside of that little clear piece. And of course, you see you got all this sticking out. I always cut off a little bit. I don't want too much of my fabric, or too much fabric I should say. So I always cut off like a little bit of it. Cut off a little bit more. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so I usually cut it down to about right there, and then what I'm going to do now is just tuck it down inside of whatever that stupid thing is called. And then you're going to get this with the little hook facing up, and you're just going to place it over the silver thing to where it's now covered up like this. Okay, then once you do that, you're going to take the blue thing, place it over, and then you are going to pretty much apply pressure. And see, you hear a pop. That's how you know you did it right. You'll hear a pop. But anywho, all you do is push it down along the sides, and then it's going to look like that. And then guess what, you guys? You're done. You just made a button. Do y'all see how easy that was? Look at that. So simple, so easy. Like, y'all, I love doing this. Like, seriously. I'm gonna do the other one. Go ahead, take it. Y'all, I'm doing it on the wrong side. What the freak? Okay, too early in the morning. Take it down, you tuck it. Like I said, I'm gonna cut all this extra off. That way my button is not just looking all wonky and crazy. So once you cut off some extra, you go ahead and tuck what little bit you do have. Just tuck it down, tuck it down, tuck it down. And then once you get it tucked down really good, where's that piece at right there? Okay, tucking it down. Come on. No, I just said it was easy. Okay. Look, I did that with just my fingers. I didn't even need the little blue piece. That's how easy that was. Like, and it's done. That's it. There's my buttons. So I'm now going to be able to use these for earrings. These are now my new pair of earrings, and freaking adorable. I love them. But to just show you guys how I pretty much package it, I already have a pair done, which is these little orange things with a label. Yes, I have like a little tag, little thing, just with your logo on it, your company, your business, whatever. These are just foam sheets, y'all, that I had laying around. Nothing fancy. I gotta get some backs out. My bad, y'all. Should have been a little bit more prepared. I gotta buy some more. My son dumped out all my silver ones, so I have no silver backs now, but that's okay. So I go ahead and I just stick them on pretty much first. Stick them on the yellow foam. Simple, easy. Now make sure they're like kind of even a little bit. Alright, that looks good. What the world is that? Why is that on here? Lord have mercy. Okay, so stick them on there. Make sure they're even. These is foam sheets. I got these. Where did I get these? Walmart too? Hobby Lobby, Joann, somewhere. You can buy them anywhere. Okay, and then I pretty much just cut them out. I leave a little bit at the top. Make sure your sides look a little bit even. Oh, that look about right. It still look a little big. Why does it look so big and wide? Let me cut them down a little bit more. Okay, so I pretty much cut it down like this to where I leave space at the top, because this is where I stick my label on. Then once I get my label, I just take a stapler and what the freak, my staple didn't work. Okay, no, it did work. And I pretty much just staple it on to where now it looks like that. Simple, easy way to advertise and display your earrings or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so if you have any questions on these, oh, before I go, you guys, as you can see here, I went a little bit crazy and bought a bunch of these kits. So if you would like this kit, this button cover kit for free, just be the first one to comment on the video. Just put I want it, and then put your email address. I will email you personally as your free address, and I'm gonna send it to you. It's yours. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.